Today we are checking out Nomad's leather passport wallets. What's up everyone, thank you for hanging out today. We are taking a look at two goodies that are kind of a mix between the tech space and the fashion space, and that is Nomad's passport wallets. There are two different versions of these. There's the classic version and then the modern version, and the classic has a few extra features up its sleeve, so that's the one that we're going to check out first. Now, the biggest thing here with the classic edition of the passport wallet is that Bluetooth tracking thanks to Tile. So we're going to look at that in just a moment here. You have a bag in here as well from the wallet. You can store your wallet in here, but it's actually a nice bag, so I hope you find some other use when you're not using it for, packaging up your Nomad passport wallet. So here's the inside of the classic edition of the wallet. The difference you're going to mainly see is that the inside of this one is lined with leather as well as the outside. It's very functional. You have several card slots down there on the left hand side, including a larger one at the bottom for additional carrying, and you have a pocket in the back of the front and a pocket in the back of the back where you have extra storage. Now if you look inside of where the actual passport goes, you'll see where that tile is located. So it's a Tile Slim. Press on the front here and boom, it is activated, pairs with your phone, allows you to easily find your passport or get notified if it walks away. So if you leave it somewhere, maybe you get notified that you left it behind. Here you can see it with my passport on the inside. We have tile tracking in the back, extra card slot in the front for IDs, credit cards, one for tickets, travel, anything like that. I really like the classic version, and that is the one that I personally use. But the modern edition is also very sleek. You'll notice a little cut down the back, kind of a little notch there at the top and the bottom. It looks very similar to Nomad's folio phone case. Again, you get an extra bag in here to store your passport in or use for other knickknacks, but this is just a more modern cut. You'll notice that little notch along that spine there. Then on the inside, it's lined with microfiber. It is very soft, feels very nice. You can see we have 3 card pockets on that left-hand side, as well as a larger one at the bottom for cash, cards, tickets, anything else that you need to store in here. Then you do have an extra slot there on the back, which I personally can use to hold open my passport to a specific page. I just feed the rest behind that extra pocket, and it keeps my passport open to whatever page I'm currently on in the back for stamps without having to go through each time. So another little handy slot there, or you can use it for other storage. Again, that pocket on the bottom on the front, that slot is extra large compared to the ones on the top that are meant for cards. So any tickets or anything else that you need to carry around can easily go in that bottom pocket. This modern version does not have the tile tracking, and you do get a little less storage, but I still really love the look. Now the leather on both of these is Horween leather, and it's great. You can see it there on my money clip, but to really see what it looks like aged, you can check out my iPhone 11 Pro phone case. So this is actually Nomad's phone case, and it's been aged very much after I've been using it for many months. So just daily wear gives it a little bit of a darker patina, and you can see all the wear marks from actually using this thing day in and day out. And I love the look of that, and I love having that kind of personalized feel to the wallet or the phone case, or in this case, my passport wallet. Inserting the passport on the modern version is just as easy on the other one. Basically, you just slide it into that back little groove and it fits in perfectly. Another difference is because this is so slim that your passport does not feed into the front and the back of it, which you don't have to on the other one if you don't want to. I just kind of like having it open up more like a book, but you can just leave it like that. Now, as you open it, you can see just your passports right there. You can use the extra groove in the back to store pages if you'd like, or any other storage items. So just a little bit of a different design between this modern version and the classic edition. There are a lot of different passport wallets out there, but Nomad does a great job of blending that amazing Horween leather with functionality, with that style. These things look great, they feel amazing, and they're useful. You have that extra storage in here for cards or ID, cash, whatever it is that you have about. So you're having all of that, and if you go with the classic edition, you also have Bluetooth tracking with Tile built in. Just another amazing feature to keep you safe and protected as you travel. If you want to grab either of these guys, you can find links down below in the description, and I'd love to know which version you prefer. Let me know over on Twitter at Andrew_OSU, and I'll check you on the next video.